Hi, I am Ravin Saluja, Director of Marketing, Sterling Agro Industries Limited. We are a 30-year-old company with a customer base spread across 33 countries around the globe. Just like any other industry, the dairy industry thrives and grows when there's a strong backbone on which other services can be built on, be it a well-structured and efficient trade promotion mechanism with the retailers, or a seamless and a regular two-way interaction with the end consumers. A particular problem we wanted to solve while digitizing our supply chain was recurring issues of counterfeits of our high-value quality products from our Nova ghee. The situation was particularly dire in the states of Rajasthan, West Bengal, Delhi, Haryana. This prompted us to look at a holistic solution which would help us find a way to end the loop for counterfeits, and this is where O4S and their solution caught our eye. With an easily scalable and unique solution, O4S stood out for us among all other solution providers. Unlike others, O4S didn't come to us as a solution vendor but as a partner. Their solutions were comprehensive, looking in both brand protection and supply chain visibility aspects. Also, after running a pilot in 2 cities, we recently launched Feet on Street initiative in our key target cities to run randomized retailer shop audits for products on shelves, and all via a simple scan.
Original for sure plug-and-play solution have, without much interference to the pre-existing modules, helped us increase our efficiency and output. If I have to give one example, we get real-time visibility of plant output with batch and SKU-wise production data available at our dispense. This helps us efficient production planning and control pilferages.
Our mission at Sterling Agro is to exceed customer expectations with our best quality products through the use of technology. Based on our experience with O4S, I would definitely recommend them to any industry.